Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get transparent app drawer on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on home screen. Now from here, tap on home screen. Now from here, scroll down and tap on backgrounds. Now from here you can adjust the transparency of the app drawer by swiping right or left to increase or decrease the transparency of the app drawer. As you can see in the preview, as I swipe from the right to the left, the transparency decreases and the background becomes black. Now once I swipe from the left to the right, the transparency increases and the background in the preview becomes transparent. Now let's check. Just hit apply. Now from here just open the app drawer. Now as you can see, this is how you can get transparent app drawer on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.